There's something really beautiful about getting to rebuild your life from scraps. From like just letting it all fall apart. And you just you get to dream from like a blank canvas, you know, of okay, like the life I thought I was gonna get to live is not. And now I get to really be honest with myself about what I want, like what I actually want. And then I get to create it. I get to create my life exactly how I want to create it. And whatever comes of my life, I get to be responsible for it. Like, I did that. I did that. No matter what comes of it, I did that. You know, that feels good. Have a good day.